am in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, once again at Gobblers Knob. It's a beautiful day, February 15th, 2023. It is 62 degrees right now. This here is the Welcome to Gobblers Knob sign. This is where everything happens on February 2nd. They have a venue up here. They also have a little souvenir shop, which I'm going to show you more here. Just a little bit about February 2nd. This is welcoming you to Gobblers Knob. And this is also telling you things to see and do in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. There's one of them statues. There's a lot of them downtown. Check them out at the local businesses. Here's the sign of Punxsutawney. The official weather works. The annual prediction, February 2nd. I'm getting ready to show you where everything happened. Right here is where thousands of people stand for February 2nd for Groundhog's Day. Here's the stage where the groundhog members will stand, and the bands, and maybe the DJ, and maybe some people that are dancing. See that log up there and a little door? That's where the Punxsy Phil is. They knock on his door, pull him out, and turn around. He reads a scroll of which one he wants. It could be 6 more weeks of winter or an early spring. This year was supposed to be 6 more weeks of winter. Here's February 15th, 2023, and it's 60 degrees out. So this is where everything happens on February 2nd. Right, that building in front of me. One side's a souvenir shop, and the other side is a venue. They hold all kinds of events in there, weddings, parties, and I've DJ'd quite a few weddings there. Beautiful venue. All right, we're getting to walk the trails up here at Gobblers Knob. Okay, we're at the entrance. You can bring your bicycle. Go for a jog, maybe go for a walk. Once again, when you're in Punxsutawney, come tour. Okay, here's on the trail. It is Groundhog's Day 2006. It was created by the Jeff Tech in Reynoldsville, Pennsylvania, the welding students. It was a truck. See the little groundhog guy driving it, and there's one below. Here's a train that was welded by the kids of Jeff Tech. This was in 2007. See the little groundhog inside there. He's driving the train. There's another one on the other side. He's putting the train together. There is a little bit about Gobblers Knob, the Punxsutawney Groundhog Inner Circle. This is on the trails, so you can stop by and read it. Another thing I come across on the trail as well. That's a groundhog. He's sitting on top his log. Some frequent asked questions that you might have. This is always on the trail too. You can stop and read it. Maybe while you're up here at Gobblers Knob, you want to bring a lunch, sit at the table, and enjoy. Right off the trail, you can stop and read it. This is the groundhog. Fun facts. This here is where Phil is, down in his burrow, down at the library in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, on Mahoning Street. Place to relax, maybe take a break on the trails. Here's a plane put together by the Jet Tech students. This one was done in 2009. Some more places to come have a picnic on the trail. And maybe you want to stop and have a break and read the sign. This is about the Groundhog Day fireworks. Here's another thing the Jeff Tech kids welded. This is on the trail as well. Here's another thing on the trails as well. Check out the little statues of the groundhog. Some of them even have their hats on. They look like they're having lots of fun coming to the end of the trail. What it is a complete circle. Starts from the bottom down there by the stages and works its all the way around, and you'll come out by the venue. There's another predicament thing. It's well put together. Another thing for you to read on the end of the trail, it's the history of Groundhog Day. Beginning of the trail, this is called the Gobblers Knob Trail. Shows you a map of it, how it's a complete circle around. There's the trail rules. A little bit more in front of the venue. Here is the venue. There is a pavilion there. You can have outdoor weddings or events. Them doors come up. This here is new to this year. There's a place for you to go sit and relax. They did a lot of new landscaping. Very beautiful. This is the venue again. Right off this little spot here. It's the store, the souvenir shop. Come up and check it out. Well, there you go. Alright everybody, this is DJ Dr. D getting ready to end this video. If you like it, please like the like button below and subscribe for more videos to come. Once again, have a wonderful day.